Okay, so this is house 203. This is a mirror image. Ah, yeah, so this is the flat that we originally wanted to look for, but this is the flat that we look at. This is Sujata's sister's flat, and she's from California. And so it's a 1,000 square foot apartment. And so first thing I notice is that the hall is really massive. Okay, it's probably as big as our hall, except for the fact that probably it's not as wide, but it's as long or probably more. And so the thing is that you can keep a probably a dining table or something here if it's really required, and you can have a TV or something like that. So this is the hall, and you have a balcony right here, and the balcony overlooks. Oh, this is not bad at all. The balcony overlooks the parking space, and you can also see the swimming pool somewhere there. So this balcony is quite decent. I don't know about this sliding thingies. Well, okay. So and here you can see right opposite is probably you wouldn't like it because there is a building right there. But other than that, I think from here it looks pretty good. You can see more skyscrapers there and high-rise buildings and swimming pool, etc., etc. So that's the hall. Then we come to room number one. So you need to notice that all the rooms are pretty small. Okay, they are not too big because it's a 1,000 square foot apartment. So I can see this is like five tiles cross five tiles, I think. Yeah, and each tile is like this big. Let me focus so that I can show you. Yeah, probably this big. Yeah, so you can see. Yeah, so that's how big one tile is, and so there are like it's a 5 cross 5. There are wardrobes already built. I think there is more furnishing going on here. So that's the first room. Rooms have windows, two windows, and yeah. So again, this is the same view as the one in the hall. It'll be overlooking the other building and the swimming pool, etc. So that's pretty cool. And on this side you have another building, and you have the parking space, etc. So that's not too bad. Yeah, not too bad. So just to give an indication of how big it is, this is it. So let's get out of here, come from the hall. So this is Sujata. Say hi, Sujata. And this is the kitchen. So this is probably like our kitchen back home. Small and like it's got a couple of platforms on either side, and it's also got a wash basin. Come blah blah blah. Okay, this doesn't look too nice. I don't know. I guess it's the something like a fire escape maybe. I'm not too sure. Yeah. So again from here, view is of the building. This is the washing machine room, I'm assuming. So kitchen is really small, but okay. Kitchen probably if you can break this platform, you get some more space. But otherwise it's small. But there is space to keep all your spices, etc. And so this is what we're talking about actually. This wall here is a blockage. So if you could break this wall, then you would get a lot more space. But currently this area is some sort of a corridor. It's got a sink here where you can probably brush your teeth, and there's room number one. Not too big again, but I'm thinking this is about the max you get in like a really developed area for around our budget. So you have another wardrobe, whatever. So this is your master bedroom, okay. And again, it's not too big. Okay, as you can see, it's probably as big as the other thing itself. Another problem here is that this bed is really massive, so the room looks really small currently. But given the right sort of a bed, etc., I think it'll look okay. Tell me what's up, what's up, what's up. So, and again, it's got another attached bathroom. Not, I don't think this is actually required if the room was small, but anyway, here it is. And so this is the only little difference between this flat and the other one. Sudhata says that now here there is an angle, so that's why this bed is not fitting correctly. It is like it looks weird, but there it's going to be like a square. So the obviously it's going to be much better in the other flat. I don't think we've seen it so far. Maybe mom, dad have seen it. So, and from this bedroom you can see this is the same building itself. You just get to look down or whatever. Not such a good view. Whereas from this, oh, this is like a really bad view. So here you get to see that thing, but you also get to see the other opposite building there. So there's like the parking space, etc., and you get to see this. So yeah, so but to give you an indication of how big this is, I'm standing on the other side of the building, other side of the room. Let me just walk and show you how far away it is. It's a real pain because this bed is right here. So that's how big it is. I'm standing now at the window, and lengthwise, I'm standing at the loo now, and I walk, and now I'm at the window. So I guess that's about it. I've shown you pretty much everything. I've shown you all the views, and I've shown you the hall. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Yeah, from my side. So yeah, it's a small flat, but I like it because of the locality, etc. And because the house is generally decently good. The only thing that you really need to decide is whether the rooms are large enough for you. And will fetch enough rent. That's the only thing. Because for a master bedroom, I'm assuming that this is very small. I mean, so now that we've stayed in our apartment, which is like 1200, so this obviously looks a little smaller. But I guess for the locality and all that, I think it's quite a decent buy. So that's it from me. I'm signing off. Talk to you later. We'll show you the approach way and the clubhouse and the swimming pool, etc. in the next video. Bye.